Welcome back to another episode of Andrew's Garage. Today we are turning the bed back into a bed. We're actually installing the wood that I've previously got stained and sealed, and it's going in, and however it looks is however it looks. I'm pretty excited for it to see the final picture, but let's go ahead and let's get started. What you see me doing was I was pulling the bed back together to where I had to bend it. I was just bending the shit out of it, trying to get the original bolts out, try to get something under it, because I couldn't get the bolts out with the impact and had to cut them all. So I was trying not to ruin the skin by grinding on them. So I had to bend everything, and I kind of bent them inner layers out. And you see, I was just pulling them back together there, getting them back plumb. So no big deal, it just took me a minute. And now that I got kind of everything started, it's time for the next two interior boards, and we'll just keep on rolling. Board number 4. Somehow they're all just magically working. Pretty cool. So if you've seen, I ran out of bolts. I got 100 of them in there and I'm still missing some. But you kind of get the idea when I laid the last 2 straps in and got a few of the bolts started of what it's going to look like. And I think it's going to look pretty good. It looks better than what this truck should have, and it certainly looks stronger and better than what it did have. So I'm fairly happy with it. And pretty much it's not going to take much to button it up besides tighten bolts. And I think next week we're going to roll into doing some wheel painting, some cosmetic stuff, and maybe some finish up the interior, get it clear coated, finish wiring it. But we'll see how this this next week goes. But thanks for watching today's episode of Andrew's Garage. Don't forget to tune in next week for another episode, and we'll see you later.